target is resting in the study. Finish it.
None of what you just saw was real. Not the people, not the location, not even the camera work. Those videos were 100% AI generated using Google's new tool, Veo 3. Just a few lines of text and boom, it creates the magic. Let that settle in for a second. Because what we are witnessing isn't just a new feature drop. It's the start of the biggest visual revolution since the invention of the camera. Let's rewind. May 20th, 2025, Google's I/O keynote. Most people were expecting another AI chatbot update. But what Google dropped? It was mind-bending. They unveiled Veo 3.
Today, I'm excited to announce our new state-of-the-art model, Veo 3.
An AI video model that doesn't just generate images, it understands real-world physics, emotions, lighting, camera motion, and even the dialogue lip sync. You type two kids racing paperboat in the puddle and you get a cinematic slow motion sequence. Sound design included, no camera, no location, no actors, just a keyboard, and yeah, it works scarily well. Google offered 3 plans, $20 per month for creators, $249 per month for studios, API at 75 cents per second of video. The only catch, it launched US only, but the world didn't wait. Within days, creators, teachers, and agencies, everyone started experimenting. Marketing teams started building entire campaigns in one afternoon. Teachers made immersive simulations for history class. Filmmakers use it to pre-visualize their next big scenes. Instagrammers creating short films that look like a Hollywood movie. And here's the wild part. Veo 3 doesn't just throw visuals together, it gets the feeling right. The rain feels wet, the smiles feels real, sound design matches the mood. This isn't just the AI video, it's AI directing. Now you would expect some professionals to panic, right? Instead, they are adopting faster. Studios became hybrid labs, directors started working with prompts instead of short lists, sound engineers built synthetic environment, even Fortune 500 companies started running full product launches without filming a thing. And to keep it all ethical, Google backed SynthID, invisible watermarking on every video. The AI generated content can be labeled and tracked because this isn't about replacing creators, it's about replacing the barrier to the internet. Let's zoom out. For the last century, creating video required cameras, budgets, teams, time, and now it takes prompts. This is the same leap we saw when film photography went digital. Suddenly, the cost of creating dropped to zero and creativity exploded. Now it's happening to video. In schools, history is becoming immersive, science is becoming visual, language learning is becoming interactive. In arts, musicians are making videos solo, authors are visualizing their novels, indie game devs are building cutscenes in minutes. In businesses, product demos are happening before the product even exists. Corporate trainings are feeling like a Netflix. CEOs give speeches in any language instantly. – 2025 is already different. Bedroom YouTubers are now rival to TV studios. TikTokers are making mini movies. Netflix is testing AI-generated environments. New careers are forming. AI video directors who write visual prompts like scripts. Synthetic editors who blend real with AI. Reality checkers verifying what's real. In education, students walk through ancient cities in class. Med students practice surgery safely in simulation. Language learners talk to the digital natives who doesn't even exist but feel real. And the best part, this is just the beginning. So here's the real moment to pause. What does it mean to be a creator? And when anyone can create anything. To creators, your value is you, your taste, your story, your voice. But the vision, that's all human. You don't need the biggest video budget anymore. You need the biggest idea. To educators, you have the storytelling power at your fingertips. Use it to ignite your curiosity like never before. Yes, this brings the big question. What's real and what's synthetic? What happens to the traditional jobs? How do we stay grounded? But this moment isn't about the fear, it's about the possibility. Veo 3 isn't just a tool, it's a mirror for your imagination. Every idea, every vision, every what if now is within the reach. The gap between the thought and the creation, it just disappeared. When creation becomes this easy, the only limit is your imagination.